OKX, technology and reliability. OKX is one of the most well-known, liquid, and reliable exchanges in the world. OKX has significant financial reserves and provides monthly reports on them. Let's emphasize convenience. Among others, the exchange focuses on technology and stands out with its stylish design and intuitively pleasant interface. OKX has been operating since 2017 and has more than 50 million users. The exchange is present in over 100 countries worldwide. It consistently ranks in the top 5 largest exchanges in global rankings. The upper limit of commissions is up to 0.1%. The exchange offers 300 cryptocurrencies for trading. The crypto exchange takes listing seriously, so it mainly features the largest and most popular cryptocurrencies. Don't store money on exchanges. Keep only the amount needed for operational trading, while main fund storage should be done through personal wallets. Don't forget that all exchange links with maximum registration bonuses are in the description. That's all from us. Subscribe to our channel, there will be many more useful crypto videos in a compressed format. See you next time!